At IKEA, we don't just hire skills, we hire people who share our values and passion for making everyday life better. In India, we are planning to open many customer meeting points by 2030, and we want many future co-workers to join us on our journey of expansion. As part of our hiring for teams in our customer meeting points, we invite shortlisted candidates to our assessment center, a space where you can truly showcase who you are. During the assessment center days, you will take part in a mix of activities such as group discussions, problem-solving exercises, and one-on-one conversations. These are designed to help us understand how you think, collaborate, and bring ideas to life. The setting is simple, open, and collaborative, just like how we work every day at IKEA. You will work alongside other candidates and interact with our team in a relaxed environment. An assessment center can feel a little nerve-wracking, but our goal is to make this a positive and comfortable experience. These events are a great chance to be yourself, share your ideas, and experience our culture firsthand. What do our co-workers feel about the assessment center?
Inspiring.
Motivating.
More of energy.
It's fun. Glorious future.
As you see, at IKEA, we are all excited to get to know you, not just what you can do, but who you are. Welcome to the IKEA hiring experience.